So we had wind last night. This is a rabbit tractor. It is upside down. It was right here last night. Processed rabbits the other day, so they were not in there. But you can see the progression of where this was. It was up there, nice and green over here. The other bunnies are down there. The other grow outs, they're completely fine. Did not get flipped. And yeah. So the wind must have come from the opposite direction it was coming from last night when I went to bed. It was coming from this way, but in order for that to get that way, it would need to come this way. So I know there was potential weather for potential tornadoes north of here that I don't think happened. But we did have some directional changes with the wind. So I'm glad that I processed these guys and they did not experience the turbulence. Stay safe, guys.